Got a 2017 Honda Civic, and the underneath splash panel got banged up because it hit a object in the road. And this is an aluminum panel. Here's the replacement. We'll be installing this today. This is a thin aluminum cover, so if yours gets banged up, it's not a big deal to replace. This was not very expensive, under $100, but it's very flimsy. I mean, this is no thinner or no thicker than like a Pepsi can or a Coke can. It's about that thickness, made out of aluminum. So not a super durable part for your Civic, but that's what they use. It's got a couple sound deadener things here underneath. And then you're going to get with this all the attaching hardware that you need. There's a couple clips that are going to need to go somewhere. Let's see, these are stuck together here. Somewhere under the body. And then there's several of these, just a quarter turn latching pieces here with this interesting connection point here. And then 2 bolts, threaded bolts. So hopefully this is all we need to install this. It looks like 6 of these guys and a couple threaded nuts there. So we'll be putting this on today and show you how that goes. It looks like it's going to be a pretty easy job. So here's the Civic. I just got it up on these ramps. Should be high enough, I hope, to be able to get to that bracket underneath, take the old one out. Let's go underneath, check it out. So here's what it's looking like under the car. It's got those quick turn fasteners. They go all the way around the outside edge. And then at the front, you've just got these 2 here. This one and this one that is threaded. In fact, this one's about to come out. And these are your threaded, your 2 threaded pieces that you're gonna need. But that's it. They're all just gonna be quick turns. Just set the plate up there. Should be pretty easy. Got plastic on the front here. And everything else is also attaching into plastic guards that are on each side of the inner wheel wells. So let's get it taken off and get that other one going. Looks like I got a little plastic holder here, here, and then 2 over here, and in the back. They're just cut out of the plastic, but that's probably enough to hold it in place while I'm trying to line up the bolts. So I got that one and the one in the back. Try the other side here. Yep, that one went. And one more, and that one went too. Good. So those all went in pretty easy. Now just do a couple of these threaded ones. That'll hold everything in place and we can put those other fasteners in. And this is a super handy tool, this Milwaukee 1301 screwdriver. It's got all kinds of options. You can pop different sizes in real quick as you're switching around. It's real rugged, I like it. I'll put a link to it in the description. All right, got the front part all nice and tight, and now we'll do these half turns or quarter turns So get it in the hole, got it started, and then you just do that quarter turn to the right, and then it's in there real good. So the key is to get it to drop into the hole like that, and then turn it. There we go. So there you have it. You've got 2 bolts at the front here on each side, and then you've got 6 of those quarter turn fasteners and a couple plastic fingers that are coming out that just kind of hold on to it, and that's it. It's all back up in place there. Got your little air shield and your heat shield back where it's supposed to be. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, hope you have a great day.